Why do I feel so damn lost, even though I've been holding everything together for years? That's what a man wrote once online, and he said this. He said, I'm 53 and I feel totally lost. I don't sleep, I'm anxious, and I'm scared I'm never gonna retire. And if you're a man in your 40s, 50s, or even your 60s, you felt every word of that. But listen to this, before we go any further, just take a quick breath here. Slow inhale, long exhale, good. Because what I'm about to say might hit you harder than you expect. You're not lost, you're overloaded, and every man hits this wall, including me. And let me tell you something personal here for a second. A couple of years ago, I hit that same wall, working, grinding, and really just trying to hold everything together. And I'd wake up at 2 o'clock in the morning with my chest tight, sweating, and a little anxious happening, and just staring at the ceiling, wondering if I screwed up my whole life. And I remember one night thinking, is this it? No more? And is this what getting older feels like? That was the big one. Here's the truth that I didn't know then. You don't feel lost because you're weak. You feel lost simply because you're carrying weight without a roadmap. And brother, no man can do that alone. So this video, it's gonna help you fight back. So stay with me. Let me ask you something. Do you feel like you're not the man that you used to be? Like something slipped and you just can't name it? So let's break this down, because there are 4 things that are stealing your peace. For years, your identity was built on this. It was built on your job, your role, your usefulness, and when any of that changes, well, your significance collapses inside of your nervous system. Money tightens, time feels shorter, retirement feels impossible, but suddenly the future feels like a shrinking hallway. Your mammalian brain just hates uncertainty, it panics. Your body has been in fight mode for decades. Work, pressure, family, bills, all of it. And then one day, boom, the system overloads. That's the 2 a.m. heart racing, and that's the I can't shut my mind off. That's the anxiety you can't explain. And here's the big one, guys. You're surviving, you're not leading, and you're reacting, and you're not moving forward. And when a man has no mission, he drifts. And when he drifts, he begins to doubt. And when he doubts, he collapses. You're not out of time, you're just out of direction, and that's fixable. So, all right, shake your shoulders out just for a quick second, loosen the jaw, let your chest drop. Awesome. Now, let me walk you through the rebuild. These 4 steps bring men back fast. You see, a man without a mission, he becomes anxious, and a man without a mission, well, he becomes dangerous. And so tonight, grab that notebook and write these 3 questions down. What hurts right now? What do I need next? Or what do I do next? Write these 3 questions. What hurts right now? What do I do next? And what am I avoiding? Not 5 things, not 20, just 3. Clarity, it's not a feeling, guys, it's a list. And once you see it, fear has absolutely nothing left to hide behind. Listen carefully, guys. Your anxiety, it's not a thinking problem, it's a body problem. Men try to solve it in their head, can't. You try to tough it out, it just gets worse. So here's a quick fix. Walk 20 minutes before bed. No screens, 1 hour. 10 slow breaths before sleep. Strength train 3 times a week. You calm the body and the mind will follow. You see, most men, they reverse it and they stay stuck for decades. So forget about motivation. You don't need it. You just need momentum. 1 daily win. Cold shower, 10 push-ups, clean kitchen, 10-minute walk, 20-minute walk, even better. Planning tomorrow. Small wins, they stack, and confidence, it returns. Identity, it rebuilds. Men don't change with breakthroughs. They change with repetition. So this might be the most important part today. You are not the man you were at 30. You're not supposed to be. This next season in your life, it demands sharper discipline, better structure, clearer and cleaner priorities, stronger boundaries, and a tighter circle, and a clear mission. Men who rise in their 50s, well, they're not lucky. They're intentional. They stop trying to feel like they're 30 again, and they start becoming the man that they were meant to be at 50. So let me speak to you directly here quickly. You're not done. You're not behind. And your story, it's not over. You're standing at a crossroads right now. One path leads to drifting, regret, and fear, and the other leads to stability, strength, and a future that you can actually build with your own hands. You still have time, and you still have power, and you still have fight in you, or you wouldn't be watching this video. But you've got to start now, not next month, not when things settle down. Now, today. And if you're that man who feels lost, anxious, or no direction, well, you don't have to fight this alone. I built a reset guide to help you get discipline, structure, and momentum back. Join us in the school community and then download it, and let's rebuild your life, one clear step at a time. Be strong.